Well, previous to the CNC, I was using wigs, which were quite uncomfortable. Also made me very hot. I was concerned about if it would slip or fall off, wind blowing, things of that nature. That's where I worried the most. If things were, my hair, the wig was on correctly, or if it shifted during the day, because I work a long day, and so it's during lunch, I'm always going in the back to make sure everything is okay with it, and it's just caused that stress on itself. So that's all been alleviated. Well, it's given me more security and confidence, and I'm able to now go swimming without trying to find a swim cap or something to cover it. I can play sports without worrying that while I'm playing volleyball, the wig is going to slip, and it's just a lot more easier for me to live my day. Well, when I go to the gym, I'm able to pin it up, which I couldn't wear a wig when I went to the gym. I'm able to do an updo, a downdo. I can wear it curly, I can wear it straight, and it's just like my natural hair. I was very happy with it. I've done different things. It was a little bit longer, a little bit darker. I had it cut, I had it colored, highlighted, I should say. And from the moment I put it on, I knew that this was the final thing that I was going to do, because I've tried the hair transplants and again the wigs, and so this has just been, I think, my ending point. It's definitely given me more confidence, to go about my day, and I think the real me is finally back, because before I was just so conservative and always concerned, if it looked natural, if people were looking at me at the back of my head, or if it was crooked. It's just always been something that I've been concerned about when I wore the wig.